Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Fitbit Charge 5. First, make sure your device has sufficient power. Connect the charging cable to a USB port, like on a computer or a wall adapter. The magnetic end of the cable will snap securely onto the back of your Charge 5. Once connected, the device should automatically power on, displaying the Fitbit logo and indicating it's charging. This process usually takes just a few seconds. After your Charge 5 powers on, you'll need to set it up with the Fitbit app. Download the Fitbit app from your device's app store and open it. If you're a new user, create an account. Otherwise, log in. The app will guide you through the pairing process, using Bluetooth to connect to your Charge 5. Keep your tracker close to your phone during this step to ensure a smooth connection. This setup is crucial for syncing your data. If your Charge 5 isn't turning on, don't worry. First, try using a different USB power source or a different charging cable, if available, to rule out a faulty connection. Also, gently clean the charging contacts on the back of your device and on the cable with a dry cloth to ensure good contact. As a last resort, you can perform a restart by holding the button on the charging cable for 8 seconds while the device is connected to power. This often resolves minor glitches. Once your Charge 5 is up and running, you can enjoy its many features. It boasts an impressive battery life of up to 7 days, depending on usage. To maximize this, you might consider adjusting settings like the always-on display or continuous GPS tracking. Remember to regularly sync your device with the Fitbit app to ensure all your activity and health data is saved and up to date. Enjoy tracking your fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.